I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip. Here's a curiosity that can be quite useful, or annoying if you aren't expecting it. Press Ctrl-O to view the open dialog box. Now, if you see the backstage, as I do here, then back out and press the super secretive and nonsensical Ctrl-F12 keyboard shortcut to access the traditional open dialog box. This is what you want. Now look at the Open button. It has a menu triangle on the right side. Click it. Here is the Open Options menu. Check out these items. The one I'm concentrating on for this video is Read Only.
During the silent reading period, the command is to read only.
No! In Word, Read Only opens a document in read-only mode. You see the text Read Only appear on the title bar. Now you can still edit the document. The only restriction is that you can't save it. So you can't overwrite the original, and any changes you made are lost. Now I use this feature often when I open a document for reference purposes. I don't want to change it, and if I accidentally do, the original remains safely unchanged on disk.
That sounds delightful.
It is, unless it happens unexpectedly. This situation arises when a document is already opened by another program or otherwise busy. Your first solution is to try again. If that doesn't work, check to ensure that another window for the document isn't already open, and if it is, just use that window instead. Now, if you're on a network, you can check to see whether other network users are using the document, and if so, then you have to wait until it becomes available. If the problem persists, such as you're the only computer user and you're not on a network, and the document keeps opening in read-only mode, then sign out of Windows and sign back in again. This trick often clears the bits and helps you open the document normally.
But what if I want to save the modified copy?
Well, if that's your intention, then go back to the Open dialog box, select the file, and from the Open button menu, choose Open as a Copy instead of Open Read Only. This is a better choice. The original document is left untouched, and you can mess with the copy to your heart's content. By the way, check out this option, Open and Repair. Choose this for those stubborn documents that you just can't open, or which open with bugs and weirdness even science can't explain. For more useful tips, check out my book, Word 2016 for Professionals for Dummies, available in real bookstores in the real world, really.